Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday, the 24th of April, looking at euro dollar, which has had a decisive downside break in the last few days. We've seen that euro has broken the initial support at 108.10, which had been sort of forming the basis of the lows in the last couple of weeks. That broke down yesterday, actually on Wednesday, but a closing breach of that yesterday. That also saw an intraday breach of 107.70, which is the April low. And the market has continued to sort of take this downside break and run with it today. Now, early losses have just been paired slightly, 107.25 being today's low. But you can see here that the momentum indicators are beginning to gain traction to the downside, certainly MACD and stochastics. And if you see RSI in the 30s, that would really, again, sort of confirm that the market was breaking down that 107.70 level of support. So we'd be looking, I think, to sell into strength in euro dollar at the moment. Little intraday rallies, I think, such as this little rebound that we've seen, about sort of 40 or so pips. I think that's a selling opportunity, really do. As I said, the daily chart shows 107.70 as the basis of resistance. You can see a little rebound yesterday, which faltered around the 107.90 area, fell over. So it certainly suggests that resistance is now starting to come in underneath the 108.10, the old 108.10 support. And essentially on the hourly chart, you can also see that there is a sort of a band of resistance now. 108.40, I've stuck a line in at the moment. So there's basically an overhead supply resistance band of 108.10 to 108.40. That is now sort of the resistance that we need to be factoring in, because that certainly seems as though a consistent support around that 108.40 broken to the downside now became resistance yesterday. So resistance band there. But any technical rallies that unwinds the RSI maybe to 50 area on the hourly, 55 was the point at which it fell over yesterday. Maybe even as high as 60, but essentially any sort of technical rally is a chance to sell, I think, on euro dollar when you start to see that move dissipating. Retesting of the lows, 107.25, ultimately, I mean, you're trading well clear of 23.6% fib level now, 108.35, so that would suggest you really are pulling towards the lows and having intraday breached 107.70 twice in the last 2 days, not yet with a closing breach. If you get a closing breach, you really are looking at 106.35. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Keep going to our website, and so where you can sign up for our analysis webinars, and also you can sign up for our YouTube videos here too.